Hi class, welcome to this week's wrap up for reading. Our last day talking about stormy weather and how can you stay safe in a bad weather. I want you to talk to your grown-up. What did you learn this week? How to stay safe in bad weather and what you can do to prepare for bad weather. I know we've had some bad weather recently with a lot of snow, so think about what you guys did to prepare for it. We listened to 2 stories this week, Waiting Out the Storm and The Rainbow Crow. So I want you to think about what is something that both of these talk about and how did the characters in each story stay safe in bad weather, because both stories were about bad weather, but they were completely different bad weather, correct? So I want you to think about how these were similar, so alike, and how they were different. And to wrap up, we're going to review some letters and high frequency words that we have learned so far. Let's look on the first side. At number 1, I want you to say the name of each picture. Fish, hat, lemon. Let's think about what letters we hear at the beginning of each picture. Fish. If your teeth touch your bottom lip, that is the f sound. And what sound is that? What letter makes that sound? F. F, fish. What about hat? H, hat. The last one in the row, lemon. L, lemon, L. Good job. Now the next row, rake, bed, egg. Our first picture, rake. R, rake, R. Bed, B, bed, B. And egg, E, egg, E. Good job. All right, let's look at the next row. I want you to tell me which 2 words sound the same. All right? Fan, hen, rock, hat. Is it fan, hen? Nope. Was it hen, rock? Nope. Was it hen, hat? Hen, hat. They both start with H. Next row, lab, lead, kick, rib. Lab, lead, kick, rib. Which 2 sound the same? Lab, lead. They both start with L, O. I want you to go back and read each word as well. You can sound these words out. Remember that CK makes one sound, K. Okay, we have 2 words in that group that have the CK ending. Now I want you to review the words on the other side. You're going to read the words and the sentences. Look at number 1. My, are, he, was. Number 2 is, little, she, with. All right, let's read those sentences. We have our sight words highlighted, but there are some other words that I think you can still figure out. All right, so let's look at number 3. My friend Nick, Nick, was with me. Read that sentence by yourself. All right, let's look at number 4. She and I are drawing. She and I are drawing. Read that by yourself. And our last one. I think you can figure this whole sentence out by yourself, so I'm going to give you a chance. Go ahead and read number 5. All right, let's try it together. He is A little. Those are all sight words. Now, if we use our picture clues and sound out because we know the sounds in that word, I think we can figure it out. D, A, G. What's the picture? Dog. He is a little dog. Good job, guys. Go ahead and finish up activities on wonders and complete your workbook. Have a great afternoon.